my car, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendall, if you don't already know that. Today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on this look right here. This is based off of Sangria, and I had fun, okay? If you know who Shaaanxo is, she does little series like this, and she did like a cocktail series. She's done like gemstone ones, I think she's doing zodiac ones, but I got really inspired by the cocktail ones because there's so many colors that you can play with. So I was like, oh, what a great idea. That'll help me get out of my funk with makeup, and it did. So credit to her for this. I don't want to take her idea or anything like that. I'm just it just sounded fun to me. So make sure you check out her channel and see all the looks that she did inspired by cocktails and stuff. And if you guys think that I should keep doing this, then I would have so much fun. But like I said, don't forget, she is the one that started this whole thing, okay? Not me, not me. Yeah. I lost my train of thought. You know what? I'm just gonna stop talking. If you guys wanna watch this tutorial, then you should probably just keep on watching before you leave or before we get into the video. I will remind you again, but make sure you please thumbs up this video for me. I would really appreciate it. And become part of the family. Subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you can see when I post new videos. Follow me on my social media. You will get another reminder at the end of the video, but yes, I would really love it. And I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. And I'm gonna stop, okay? Let's get right into the tutorial, okay? Bye. So, right now I am going to look up a picture for Sangria and just get a little bit of inspo for this look. Let's see, I want to try to find a pretty one. So a lot of the pictures have oranges, like there, and it's like a purplish red, like burgundy kind of color, and then there's some oranges, and a lot of them have blueberries too. I mean, I guess like it is made out of grapes, so maybe they're grapes, not blueberries. So like I think the vibe for this look is gonna be some red, some purple, and some orange, because a lot of these they top off with like oranges. So let's do this. Got my red juice right here. This is not sangria, but we're gonna pretend it is. It's actually just water with some kind of like fake sugar, low calorie stuff in it. Chemicals, basically. Not good for you, but tastes good. Then I have some avocado that I'm snacking on because I don't want it to go bad. So, it might help if I have a palette in front of me that I'm going to use, you know? So, I'm going to do that. So, I'm going to need some good colors. By the way, I'm wearing extensions right now because I felt like it. And I actually did my hair for once in my life. I straightened it. I've been thinking about chopping it off for the longest time, but I think it's because I just never do my hair and I get super bored. And like, now that I've straightened it and I see how long it really is, obviously not this long, but it is, that's extension. It's longer than I thought it was. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking now, and we're just gonna put some sangria on our eyeballs, on my eyeballs. So, just for starters, did my eyebrows for you, and I cleaned up my eyebrows and primed my lids with my Tarte Shape Tape. And I did not set it because you get better color payoff when you don't set your lids with powder. So that's where we're gonna start off. Just make sure there's not any creases on there because that could be bad. This is the Morphe 35B, and then I have my Jaclyn Hill palette as well, just in case I need some extra colors. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with this shade right here. And I'm gonna pop this in my crease. I'm really nervous right now because I don't really know what to do. I wanna do something a little bit different, but we'll see what happens, right? I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you in more actually. I'm gonna do this side right here. So I have that color on my Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush, and I'm just gonna pop this in the crease and just really get some nice color started in there. Now, I'm going to pick up the orange in the Morphe 35B palette right here, and I'm gonna start blending this shade out with that. Oh, and this is my Luxie 235 blending brush. I'm just going around the edges of that purpley shade we used. And I'm kind of liking this right now because it's making it where they overlap, it's making it a little bit darker, which I like because that purple shade wasn't dark enough for me. So far, this is looking pretty good. Pretty good. As Shayla, makeup Shayla would say, pretty. Wait, where's she? Pretty. Just gonna pack some more of this purple shade on the inner and outer corners and leave a little space in the middle. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add some concealer on the center of my lid to just make it easier for that shade we're gonna put on the lid to stick. Make it pop a little bit more. I'm gonna take that Crayon Apple shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette right here. I'm gonna pop it right on top of that concealer. I don't know if I like that very much. Let's try spraying the brush. See if we can get a little bit more shimmer to it. It doesn't look too bad though. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to deepen up the inner and outer corners so that that shade will pop a little bit more. They're kind of too much in the same like, not like color range, but like deepness in color, if that makes sense. So there's no contrast really. So I think I'm gonna take this deep purple shade down here from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and that is the shade Soda Pop. And it's like a deep purple, so that'll help with the Sangria vibe. And I'm just gonna go in and deepen the inner and outer corners around that pop of color we did. Ooh. Oh. And then I'm gonna take the brush that we used that like lightish purple with in the very beginning to just blend it all together. And then I'm also gonna take the orange again and just run that over the edges. Now I have stuff all over my arms because apparently I have to wipe it on my arms to get it off my finger. Better than wiping it on my pants though, right? I can just take a makeup wipe and remove it, you know? So now I just need to highlight my brow bone. Actually, I think we're good right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop off camera, do this eye real quick and my face, and then I will come back, finish the rest of the look. So stay tuned, I'll be back in 1 second. Got both eyes done. Now we're just gonna finish off the eyes. I got my face done and then we'll be good to go. Also put my little nose ring in. So let's see here. Now I just have to do the lower lash line. I'm gonna start with this right here. This is one of the ColourPop cream gel liners. This is in the shade Get Paid. It's like a coppery color. I figured that this would go pretty nicely with the look. Really smudging it on there. I'm gonna take this brush right here. My Morphe Y21 is just like a little flat brush. And I'm gonna pick up the shade Soda Pop from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, which is that deep purple. And I'm just gonna smudge this right underneath that liner. Then I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Y22 brush from Morphe. We used Soda Pop on this, but I'm not gonna add any more color to it. I'm just gonna grab it to kind of smudge this out. And just kind of connect everything in that outer corner. And then I'm gonna take this brush right here that we used that bright purple shade on. I'm just gonna run that right underneath. I'm gonna do sort of a gradient like we did on the top, but I'm really not adding any extra color. I'm just using what was left over on the brushes. And then I'm gonna take the brush that we had the orange on and run that right underneath as well. This one, I think I might need to add a little bit extra color though. And there we go. Then for the brow bone highlight, where need it go? There it is. I'm just gonna use this little brush right here, Luxie mini round brush. It's in the number 141. And I'm just gonna take my Lou-Manizer and I'm just gonna pop this on the brow bone and the inner corners. I'm also gonna spray my brush for the inner corners. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara and lashes. For lashes, I'm gonna take, well, I hope that these look okay, but I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna take the ARDELL double wispies. I've worn these once and it was a long time ago and I remember not liking them, but maybe since now that I've gotten used to more intense lashes, maybe I'll like them. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to go do my mascara, apply the lashes, and then I'll be back for the lippies. Yes. Okay, so I'm back with the lashes on. Actually really like them. Not bad, not bad. Look at those. I wish my hair was actually that long, but it's definitely not. Okay, so now we're just gonna finish the look off with the lips and, oh, that would actually look nice. Let's see. That'll look good too. So let's see here. This is kind of like my go-to lip combination. I need to just sharpen the pencil real quick, but this is the MILANI lip pencil in the shade Spice. It's number 9 or 09. As you can see, it's down to a nub. We're just really getting down there. I love it. It's my fave. So I'm gonna take MILANI Spice and just line my lips. I also filled them in, obviously. And now, ooh, that's really dark. That's okay. I'm gonna take MAC Velvet Teddy and just go right over top. And now I'm gonna take MAC Velvet Teddy, and I'm just gonna go right over the top. And there we go. So this is going to be the final look. It's very Sangria-ish. Give you a close-up. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more like little drink inspired, cocktail inspired looks, then please comment down below and let me know. Like I said in the intro, this is inspired by Shaaanxo. She does these like little series where she does like gemstone inspired and like cocktail inspired looks. And I figured that it would just kind of get me out of my funk and get back to my creative side and help me just have more fun with makeup again. And I think it did a good job this time. So all credit goes to her for this idea. Yeah, so thanks to her, and I hope you guys really enjoyed the look. If you did, make sure you please give it a thumbs up for me. And make sure you subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And of course, you have to follow me on Instagram. And that's pretty much it. I don't really use anything else. If you want to, you can follow me on Snapchat, but Snapchat's kind of like, you know, and I don't really use Twitter that much. But if you want to follow me there, maybe I'll get back into it in the future sometime, but mostly Instagram. So that'll be listed down below in the description box. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!